Good morning everyone. Today we're going to San Carlos City. We will be having our lunch there at one of their known restaurants. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Check natin if masarap yung food doon. Monkeys. Guys, this is the city proper of San Carlos. We're already here. So, konti na lang. Then, ando na tayo. Yung main transport system pala dito sa San Carlos is yung the tricycles and the pedicabs. Maya-maya pag ando na tayo sa city mismo, sa proper, dun sa market, you'll see the pedicabs. Yung pedicabs nila yun parang road bike. I think it's an American bike. Check lang natin maya. Ito yung shortcut going to that restaurant. Dadaan muna tayo sa City Hall nila. They also have a hotel here for you to stay. Ito yon. Just along the road going to the City Hall. Yan. If you want to stay here, you can stay here. Ito na pala yung ano nila, yung City Hall. Yan. Then we'll just have to turn right papunta sa destination natin. Maganda dito San Carlos, mapayapa. Yan yung pedicab na sinasabi ko. Parang road bike na American bike. Manipis yung gulong. Ito na yung pinaka market ng San Carlos. Tapos merong doong port sa dulo. Yun yung port papuntang Toledo. If you want to go to Cebu, magla-land trip kayo, pwede kayong dumaan dyan. Kaso konting patience lang kasi medyo crowded dito eh. As you can see, madaming mga tricycle at pedicabs. Mag-turn left lang tayo dito sa papuntang police station. At andito na yan sa dulo. Malalaman mo if malapit ka na kasi katabi lang yan ng Avon. Yung name pala ng place is Mr. C. One of the known restaurants here in San Carlos City. Madaming kumakain dito. Check natin ngayon if crowded yung yung lugar. Hanap muna tayo ng parking space. First customer kami ngayon. Hindi siya crowded. Early morning pa. They also have cakes. Pastries. Sige, try namin yung off the menu. Ano nga yun?
Double roast.
Double roast. Oo. Tapos try na din namin yung pizza. Yung Caesar salad na pizza.
Caesar salad.
Oo. Ito pala yung menu nila. Ayan. So ito try namin yung nila, yung specialty of the day. Double roast. Ito yung specialty of the day nila, yung off the menu. Double roast beef and pork. Yung pork parang lechon. Yan. Then beef shawarma. Ito yung order na kasama ko. Then ito, chicken carbonara. This is their Caesar salad pizza. Try na natin if masarap yung mga pagkain nito. Let's first try their Caesar salad pizza. Medyo mainit pa siya. Parang sarap naman siya. Sarap. Merong bacon, chicken, and lettuce. Let's try their roast beef. Tender. Sarap siya. lechon, roast pork, pork skin. Sarap, sarap. Ito naman, chicken carbonara. Mukhang masarap. Pero, we'll check. Yung sauce niya, okay naman. Sufficient siya. Pero, try natin. It has chicken and some bacon bits. Order namin yung beef shawarma. Ample naman yung beef niya. Tapos meron siyang onions and tomatoes. Try natin. Lagyan natin ng hot sauce. Okay then. Just finished eating our lunch here at Mr. C. Masarap yung pagkain. So if you'll ask us if masarap ba ang food sa Mr. C, yes, masarap. I give it a 5 out of 5. The food is above average. And the big question is yung bill, if it's affordable. Yung bill namin is 1,565. So, okay na rin considering na masarap yung food and the place is good. Hindi mainit. So, if you wish to go here, I'll just put the Google Map direction or link papunta dito sa Mr. C San Carlos. Thank you.